Hello, my name is David Quigley, and I live outside of Lansing, New York. I serve as a lead pastor here at Asbury Church and have done so for the past 18 years. Last week, my wife and we celebrated our 27th anniversary, and we have 4 amazing kids. This is actually my 3rd year at NES, and interestingly, this is the 3rd time I will be going through this course. And the reason is because last year and this year, I have the privilege of serving as the GA for the course. And this is a great course. You're going to love the readings. You're going to be introduced to some influential people. And you're going to have an opportunity to think through some pretty important ideas that the church has been wrestling with in its history. There are going to be readings and posts and papers and exams. And I want you to know that I'm here to help in whatever way that I can. Hey, I'm excited to be a part of this great conversation, and I look forward to reading your work and to engaging and interacting with you in the midst of the class. So, hey, we'll see you soon. God bless.